Hi, this is Vinay. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Astrologic, where I dive deep into the realms of astrology, numerology, Vastu, and the law of attraction to transform your life using the ancient wisdom of Vedic science. Every Saturday, I bring you captivating and enlightening videos designed to unlock the hidden potential within you and guide you towards a path of harmony, abundance, and fulfillment. I also post a YouTube Shorts video every Wednesday. I have been practicing Vedic science, that is astrology, numerology, Vastu, for many years now, and I have been initiated by 3 Gurujis. I am also a trained and certified Law of Attraction coach. For free consultation on any of the coming Saturdays, you can WhatsApp us on the number shown on the screen. You also stand a chance to get a free personalized numerology report for yourself. Finally, subscribe to my channel and embark on a transformative journey that will empower you to unlock your true potential, attract abundance, and live a life of purpose and joy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Suhas. I am from Bangalore. I wanted to share some information that may be helpful for many people who are looking for some guidance or remedies with respect to their astrological planet placements. I came across Vinay sir's educational videos and his explanations about astrology and planetary actions while I was looking for some help. When I was unable to make decisions about a couple of my life situations that turned out a bit complex. So I reached out to him and he was kind enough to go through my horoscope and suggest some of the easiest and efficient remedies that is helping me take right decisions now and channelize my thoughts and actions properly. I highly recommend that seekers take Vinay sir's support and guidance to find the right solutions for their problems that one may be facing. I'm positive you'll see the situations unfolding for better. Best wishes to all, and thank you, Vinay sir, for once again for being so supportive and approachable.
Can astrology change our life? Astrology, an ancient wisdom, holds the power to transform your life and guide you in a positive direction. However, to harness this ancient wisdom, we must first thoroughly understand the situation. While the fruits of one's effort and diligence are crucial, the impact of one's horoscope, rooted in ancient knowledge, cannot be ignored. As we all know, astrology can help us understand the significance of our birth date, place, and time, as interpreted by ancient sages. It provides us with our astrological signs, which can offer insights into various aspects of our personalities, as per ancient traditions. Moreover, this ancient wisdom of astrology can do much more in our lives. Incorporating astrology into your daily routine might help you relax and maintain a more optimistic outlook, as ancient practices suggest. So, can astrology change our life? Let's delve deeper and find out. Astrology has the power to transform your life and can guide your life in a positive direction. But to truly benefit from it, we must first gain a thorough understanding of the situation. Indeed, the fruits of one's effort and diligence must be considered, but the impact of one's horoscope cannot be overlooked. As we all know, astrology may assist us in determining the significance of our birth date, place, and time. It is what gives us our astrological signs, which might help us understand some parts of our personalities. On the other hand, astrology has the potential to do considerably more in our lives. Using astrology in your daily life might help you relax and have a more optimistic outlook. Can astrology change our life? Let's continue exploring. What happens when we read horoscopes? Reading horoscopes, astrological forecasts, and general predictions can help you broaden your horizons and better understand current events. Whether it's political news, college stress, or relationship issues, astrology can provide a unique perspective. While astrology may not have an answer for everything, it can help you prepare for specific emotions or events that may arise in your life. Let's see how this ancient practice connects with our daily experiences. Astrology may help you accept yourself for who you are and embrace what makes you unique. If you've ever wondered why you act the way you do, or why your personality differs so much from your best friends, astrology can provide answers. Reading your birth chart or having it read by professional astrologers can help you better understand yourself and your life's purpose. Astrology readings can boost your self-esteem and encourage you to embrace your shortcomings. Let's explore how astrology can answer some of the profound questions about our identities and paths in life. How can astrology change our life? Well, people frequently use astrology to judge others rather than learn about themselves. Astrology can help you understand the people around you and support your social life. If handled with respect, astrology may help you perform even better in any social circumstance by preparing you to face whatever comes your way. You can discover what makes each of us unique and learn to accept our differences for what they are. Using the law of attraction in conjunction with astrology can result in tremendous manifestations that will practically bring all of your wants to you. Changes in moon cycles have long been observed for their profound impact. Full moons are about introspection and release, while new moons are about setting intentions and fresh starts for the month. You can claim what you desire in life by harnessing the enormous energy during these moon cycles. Try doing some remedies during the next new moon to solve the troubles in your life. Ask astrologers for remedies according to your birth chart. Whatever you want could one day be in your hands. In this world of the living and non-living things, time is the most powerful thing. However, the right timing heals the suffering while also paving the way to success. There is no wrong time to do the right thing, Swami Vivekananda once said. Yes, this is correct. But more often, our zodiac sign planets are in the wrong position. The wrong and weakening location of planets has a significant impact on time. As a result, astrology clears the air of bad timing and suggests spans and periods during which one might bloom fully. Whether you believe it or not, astrology matters. Astrology enables you to gain a better understanding of yourself. Everything about you, including your strength, vulnerability, and talent, is closely tied to astrology. Astrology forecasts what features you impose as an individual of a particular zodiac sign and what the results may be. It allows you to gain a deeper understanding and thus become a better version of yourself. Do you believe you've done everything possible yet still have problems climbing the success ladder? A career is quite important in one's social standing, bread and butter, and other external factors. When you don't have a clear idea of what you want to do with your life, you should consult an astrologer. Astrologers can confirm the professional path you should take based on your zodiac sign. When it comes to choosing a spouse and creating a lovely dream together, astrology can aid in various ways. The term Raja Jotaka is derived from astrology, which states that two people's horoscopes are compatible. Simultaneously, When things go wrong in a relationship, astrology is a good solution. Yog, Graham, Dosha. The position of the planets and their movement are significant. They create unlucky Yog and Doshas to cause problems for the concerned person. For the most part, people suffer a great deal because they are unaware of the situation. As a result, astrology suggests powerful remedies to help you get through the struggle. So, can astrology change our life? These are the most important takeaways. Astrology can provide a great deal of comfort. As previously stated, astrology assists you in accepting things as they are. Frustrating things might get you down and make you want to give up. But it's not always your fault. We look for explanations in everything, yet there are times when there are none. Astrology instills in us the ability to accept both the good and the bad as lessons. The planets, stars, and universe have collectively devised a strategy for you. All you have to do is trust it. Finally, astrology's assistance and generosity are not limited to these key points. Several components of the realm can help humans improve their quality of life. Contact us today to learn how to change your life. Thanks a lot for watching the video till here. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, share this video with your loved ones so that they can also get benefited. Until next time, be good, do good, and take care. Vinay signing off. Thanks again.